Hi. So I'm getting ready for family friends to come over and I thought you guys could join me. They're here. I don't do makeup, so the top, I realized that that one had a hole in it. I guess I can like try do a smoothie eye. So it's family friends who come over and they're early, so I'm getting ready while they're here. So sorry about my crazy hair. I haven't taken it out yet. Sisters, not twins. That's what everyone says. Good old Vaseline. This is the makeup.